Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure accounts and updates are not the obstacle. Sign into the same Microsoft account on both Xbox and PC, update the console and Windows, then open the Xbox app. Once done, enable console streaming on your Xbox under Devices and Connections, because that lets your PC discover the console. Make sure both devices share the same local network. Prefer 5 GHz Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet to reduce latency. This gets you to the discovery and pairing stage quickly. Once your console appears, you configure streaming settings and network allowances. Enable Stream to this device or Remote Play, and then use the Xbox app to add the console by selecting Console's right arrow Add a Console. You should adjust streaming quality in the app. Start with 720p or 30 FPS if bandwidth is limited, then raise it. Also verify your router's NAT is open or moderate, and add firewall exceptions for the Xbox app so traffic isn't blocked. This reduces disconnects and improves stability. Now stream. Click Stream or Remote Play in the Xbox app and verify controller input, audio, and video. You want to minimize lag. Use wired Ethernet and a USB/Xbox controller if possible, and lower bitrate if you see stutter. If you run into trouble, first confirm both devices use the same Microsoft account, then restart the console, PC, and router. Check NAT type and firewall to ensure ports aren't blocked. That single troubleshooting step usually clears discovery and connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.